Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another hair review. This video I'll be featuring this new unit that Hairvivi just launched that features a fake scalp, and it's supposed to eliminate the need for doing a bowl cap method. You guys know I'm going to put it through the test and see if it's worth the hype. So if you want to learn more about this, keep watching. Okay, let's jump right into this. As I mentioned, this wig is brought to you by Hairvivi. This is the box in which the wig will come in. You'll have a wig cap, some clips, as well as a comb, and of course this unit. The unit is 14 inches and it does come pre-plucked, and as I mentioned before, this unit does feature a fake scalp. Now I'm going to turn it inside out so you can get a closer look at it, and essentially this is a wig cap sewn onto the front of the wig area. This method does seem identical to the fake scalp method created by Precious Marie. I'm not sure if she worked in collaboration with this design. I hope so that she would get the correct recognition due. Let's take a closer look at the inside of the unit. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, along with a removable adjustable elastic strap. I think this is a great improvement on Hairvivi part, as their previous straps was not adjustable. As I mentioned, this unit does come pre-plucked, and this is what it looks like on my mannequin assistant. I put it on my head just so you can see how it looks as well before I went ahead and plucked the hairline. I did lightly pluck this hairline since it already came pre-plucked, because I really just wanted to see how the fake scalp will hold up. So now I'm going to try the wig on. I think this unit looks very nice on. However, one thing I did notice is that after I pluck the hairline a little bit, the fake scalp is showing through the lace. So a word of advice, if you purchase this unit, do not pluck the hairline, just wear it as is, which I will say is plucked pretty well. So I decided against laying any baby hair, so I just decided to apply some of my mousse to the hairline, to the front part, just because I like how it makes the unit lay. This is my preferred method. However, this is totally optional and not necessary. After I tried it down, I did apply some of my carrot care wax stick because this unit does have some flyaways on top, and then I laid it down with my flat iron, and that really took care of those flyaways very well. And this is how the unit looks once I let the mousse dry, and now this wig is ready to be applied. Okay dolls, now I'm going to put the wig on. Oh, but before I do, you guys always asking what eyelashes I'm wearing. The lashes I'm wearing today are Millie Allure, and these are their Mi Amor lashes. If you're interested in this, be sure to check the description box for the links. I went ahead and cut the lace, and now I'm ready to try it on. I like that this is available in the side part. You guys know I don't like the middle parts, so I do appreciate that they have the option online to choose between a middle and a side part. So this is what it looks like once I put it on. So dolls, as you can see, this is a glueless unit. You don't need to gel or glue this down. It is staying pretty firm on my head right now. And you could just wear it out like this. Now I'm going to use some of the Got To Be glue spray and spray this on the hairline just to see how the fake scalp would react if you do try to glue or gel it down. So dolls, this is what it looks like after I laid it down. Now here's my issue. They sent me the wrong cap color. They have two cap color options on their website, light brown and dark brown. Clearly I'm dark brown, but maybe they couldn't tell. So I got a light brown cap and this ain't blending. So I can only do as much as I can dealing with what I have. I decided to test out removing the fake scalp. Real quickly, I'm going to show you how the back of the unit looks. So dolls, this is what it looks like now that I removed the ball cap. And as you can see, this is blending a lot better than that fake scalp, and really it's because the color they sent me just didn't match my complexion. So while I do think that fake scalp is great for people who would like to do the ball cap method but they're not comfortable with doing it, I do feel like it's a stocking cap, so at the end of the day you're not going to get that much longevity with it. It's only going to last for so long, maybe a month. After that, it's bound to start ripping, stretching out of shape, and so forth. I think the real value in this unit is the fact that they've actually listened to the feedback that was given to them previously, because I did review one of their units last year and I wasn't too fond of it. The main thing that I was concerned with is the fact that their elastic band was too small, it couldn't fit on my head, and they over bleached the knots. And actually I was reluctant to review another one of their units due to my dissatisfaction with that. But I'm happy to see that they listened to feedback given and they've actually improved on it. As you can see, they now offer an adjustable elastic band and these knots are bleached way better. So I really am liking this unit a whole lot better than the one I reviewed previously, and I think they have pretty good hair. So those were my concerns and I'm glad to see they fixed it. And I'm liking this. I'm liking this so much better now that I took that fake cap off, because that shit was not matching. Okay, I'm really loving it so much that I'm gonna be wearing this on vacation. Actually, when you see this video, I'll probably be on vacation. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can catch to see how this wig is performing while on vacation. So doll, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week, and the new name as well as the person who submitted that name will be listed right here. Before we leave, guys, y'all already know it's time to name this beauty. What are we gonna call her? She's very beautiful, even more so for me now that I removed that ball cap. But she's very beautiful. She's a perfect length and she's perfect for spring and summer. Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. We're family around here. And make sure you hit your notification bell as well so that you know when I launch my videos. You guys know you're always going to get an honest review from me, and I love you guys. And as always, until next time, you guys stay blessed, and if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.